Guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this Keurig K-Compact coffee machine. I'm super excited to open it up. We're gonna see what comes inside and see if there's any parts that need installation or if we have to install it, put some pieces together, and so on. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright guys, so I just took it out of the box and it does not need any type of installation, so I really love that. It already comes ready to use. Now I got the one in the color black, guys. It does have like some silver going on. As you can see here, we have the Keurig logo as well. Now over here in the back, we have like the little water container. So you can just open it up like this, pour the water there so you'll have enough water whenever you're trying to make coffee. Also over here, the buttons, we have the buttons on the top. We have the on and off button. We have the cup sizes, so we have small, medium, and large. Over here you'll just raise this up whenever you want to put like the coffee cups. So whenever you're trying to make your coffee, you'll just place the coffee cups there, close it, and then start making your coffee. And over here in the bottom, guys, is where you would place your cup whenever you're trying to make your coffee. You can actually take this out as well, take it apart. You can wash it, clean it, rinse it. Also, the little cup in the bottom is a little deep, guys, so whenever you have like your cup on the top and you like spill a little bit of coffee, it's fine. It will like hold it for you, and then you can just rinse it. So I really like that, and then it just slides back in. But yeah, guys, this is the Keurig K-Compact coffee machine. It's small, it's cute, it's compact. It is super easy to use, guys, so it's very user friendly, and honestly I am completely obsessed with it. I am super excited to start using it, and I would definitely recommend it to anybody.